So yeah, guys, so this is the next part, okay? It's expanding double brackets, okay? Now, this can be quite daunting because you might struggle to understand this, but I know you know it, okay? This has got to do with indices, with powers. Revisiting that topic, okay? What do we do there? As simply, what do we do with this in here? Timesing it, okay? That's going to be x squared. Yeah, that's literally it. But the reason why, because that power multiplies with the power of that x. There's actually a 1 there. Again, you might not see it. Have a look at this question. If I said, for example, 2 squared, what's that going to be?
You think
Yes, 2 squared. Well done. That's going to be 2 squared, which is 4. There's actually a 1 there, and you're going to multiply that power. Okay? That's actually what it is. That's the reason why. Okay? And then that's your whole number. Now we're going to deal with this stuff. How can we expand this even more? What does x squared mean? X squared means x times x. Who agrees with that? X squared is x times x. 2 squared means 2 times 2. What does this mean? Olivia, what does this mean here? If that is x squared is x times x, what's happening here? What would you do here? X. Yeah, but then whatever's inside the brackets is being multiplied again by itself. So whatever that's in this brackets is being multiplied again, right? So what's in this brackets here? Shh. X minus 3. Okay, that's being multiplied again by what? X minus 3. That's literally what that means. Okay? If you know what this is, which means x times x, this is not so much different to this. It's applying the same concept. Now here, now you just need to expand it. Okay? So here you're going to draw the arrows, right? So everything here, okay, everything here, you're going to get this, and you're going to multiply it with this. What's in between these two brackets? A multiplication. That's the reason why we multiply it. What else are you going to multiply, Maya, in this situation?
-3.
Yes, well done. Draw another arrow. So you're going to put the multiplication there. Okay? And then what about this -3? Is that also going to multiply too? Yes. Because this is being multiplied with this. That's kind of what we've been doing on the other questions. So you're going to multiply this and this. Because imagine these two people are visiting these people's houses, right? Who's visiting? It's the x and the -3. So let's expand that now. Okay? So you have x times x, okay? And then x times -3. -3 times x. Okay? So following along, because if you're not following along, you're going to struggle. So first you did x times x, then you did x times -3. Then what number do we multiply next? Vanessa?
-3.
Yes, -3 times by what? X. And then you're going to do -3 times by this -3. Okay? So you got to be really careful. This step is the most crucial step. If you mess this up, you're going to struggle with the next part. Now it's a simplification. What is x times x? Leave it. X times x. X squared. -3 times x. -3x. -3 times x again is going to be -3x. -3 times -3. What's -3 times -3? So. Yep. Yep. What 9? -9 or +9? Well done. Okay. Are there any like terms here? Ruby. Any like terms here? Yep. You're going to bring them together. What are the like terms? -3x and -3x. Can you add any other terms?
Oh, and the can you add the x?
X squared? Why not?
It's not like that.
It's not a like term. This has an x squared and this has a 3x, right? What's the power for this 3x? Actually a 1. This is not the same term as this term. They're different terms. They're called unlike terms or they're not like terms. So now you're left with, okay, x squared minus 6x plus 9. And you put an equal sign. That's it. You can't add the 9 with this. You can't simplify this anymore. Okay? Same thing goes for this. This is a much harder question because you got to do this step and then afterwards you got to work it out. Here, you just need to multiply it. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys have a go at this.